Hello and welcome to another random review and how-to. Today I am showing you how to change a filter here in this Bionaire humidifier. So if you have this model here, this is the BCM646C, and the easy way to figure out what filters you need for these is just to look on the side. It tells you right there, E-replacement filters. So I found these Holmes replacement filters on Amazon here. There's 3 of them in this, and all you gotta do is match it up. It actually has a picture of the model that we're replacing there. So to change this, you might look at it and say, well, I'm not sure. Do I take it off on there? I mean, that's where the fan's at, but you can see in the back here that that's where the filters are at, is through this grate. So getting to that grate is a lot easier than you might think. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and pull out your reservoir and set that aside. And then if you look down here, you're going to see all these screws, and that might be where your head's at. I got to unscrew everything. You don't. All you have to do is look at this little knob, and then if you look at this, to unlock it, you twist it to the left, and to lock it, you twist it to the right. But it's actually kind of backwards, so it's the front you're going to twist this way. You're going to hear it do that, and then it's hard to see there, but you can see that it's going to fit through that opening. So to lift this off, I actually need 2 hands to do this. So I'm going to set it down real quick. Here we go. So you just lift this whole piece off, and then you can set that aside, and then you see it exposes your filters. Now the other note is that there's still going to be water in here, so you're going to want to kind of be somewhere where it could spill. And then these filters themselves are actually locked in as well. Same mechanism in the back there. You just twist that, and then these filters come out. They're going to be wet, they're going to be dripping, and then you can see the buildup that we have there on the back. So there is an indicator on the system itself. It'll tell you when the filter's dirty. And then for these, you can see that it has this little notch right here. So you're gonna pull that notch up like so and pop that out, and then this whole filter comes out of there. Kind of shake it because I'm one-handing it here. And there you go. You can see that comes out. You can see how dirty it is. Could bang it down a little bit. So there's a lot of crust buildup on that. Then your replacement filter is the same system. It has the same thing, same notch on top. You don't have to worry about that black part. And you're just going to put that in there and kind of bend it in so that it fits the same curvature. Push it all the way down. Make sure that you're getting it all the way in there. You want a piece sticking out like that. So bend them all the way in, and then you're going to want this blue tab to go right in the slot there for it, and that kind of locks it in. So you can see the difference right away. This is the clean one, that's the dirty one. So replace 2 of these. It takes 2, they give you 3. Doesn't make much sense because you're always going to have 1 extra, and then you always have to buy 1 extra. So this is the easy way to replace this filter on the Bionaire humidifier, and it gives you a little chart there, a little indicator on the inside for coloring, to kind of give you just an idea of when it is dirty, time to change, new, in use. This one, although not as dark, it's definitely built up with crust on the back. So I don't know if I'd want to use that front white side as my indicator for that. As always, I will provide a link to these filters down below if you want to purchase those. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments section. And I want to thank you for watching another random review and how-to. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.